I realized I don't really have a lot of videos of me just driving my cars, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. Yeah, so I realized I don't really have a lot of videos of me just driving the car. And I just put in the new transmission. So with that new transmission, it's running a lot nicer now. But then, of course, right as I did the transmission, now the diff gears are starting to go. So the front differential, the gears are completely blown out. And the rear differential is really close. They're not looking great. So yeah, it's just rear wheel drive right now. Right now I'm just keeping the car in first gear. Second gear is a little too fast for this parking lot. This parking lot is also not super flat. There's a lot of bumps. But you can see it's pretty fast in first gear. Actually, it just tore the rear tire off. I need to glue these tires. Definitely looks super good in this light. There's a big bump right here. Yep. The body just goes on with magnets. It's really not the greatest. I think I might switch it to body posts, because the body posts, it, like, if the car rolls or anything like that, they fall off. And then I also took the lights off. It doesn't have the lights anymore. I need to work on, I'm gonna have to repaint the body, so I don't want to permanently mount the lights until the body's mounted. Or, not the body. I don't want to permanently mount the lights until the body is repainted, because you can see the paint is like all chipped because I used the wrong kind of spray paint. So I need to get some good Tamiya paint or something, and I'm gonna use that to paint it instead of the spray paint that I used. Hopefully you guys can see that all the way over there. But yeah, this is all just in first gear. I don't want to go into second gear because this parking lot's not really big enough. And also, I don't have the tires glued, and it just blows the tires off. I haven't really gone above like 50% throttle too. If I go any higher, it just blows the tires off. So here, I can bring it in and we'll do some donuts or something and we'll see if the tires fly off. think that's the diff. The diff might be okay. I don't know. It's making a weird clicking sound. We'll put it in second gear. This is how you shift. Normally there's a servo, but I don't have the servo on there right now. Yeah, so let's see what it's like in second. Yeah. You can hear that sound. That's definitely the diff. That loud crunch. Oh yeah. I'd say we probably have about 5 more minutes and then the diff's gonna be completely blown. So this is the last time this car is gonna drive until I get new gears. I mean, it looks freaking awesome. Oh yeah. It's getting worse.